Hello, good people. My name is Kevin Bowers, and I'm working with the Vervaeke Foundation and Awaken to Meaning, and I'm offering creativity for living workshops. Very proud and excited to be a member of this community. This is deep and important work that's going on here, and I'm proud to be offering creativity as one of the ecologies of practice within the Awaken to Meaning paradigm. You might wonder why creativity? Where does it sit in the ecologies of practice designed to awaken us towards meaning as a wisdom cultivation tool? And I'm glad you asked. I have, fallen in love with the work of John and the kinds of facilitation towards wisdom communities. And I find an endless mapping to the work of my life, which has been as an educator and as an artist, using creativity as a vehicle for learning, a vehicle for thriving, a vehicle for making meaning in the world and building community. Creativity is a universal competence in human cognition that helps one to fall in love with the world, that helps one to create meaning. And it does so in ways that are very coherent with the lectures in, Awaken from the Meaning Crisis and After Socrates and beyond. First thing I want to do is separate the notion of creativity from art, that this is the domain of artists and they're painters and they're dancers and they're beautiful and wonderful. Yes, creativity is obviously coupled to artistry, but for what we're doing, I'm decoupling them. I would like to think of the creative consciousness, the process of creativity in human cognition, as foundational and essential to what it means to be a human being. And it does not require that you create something, some artifact in the world. What it is, rather, is a posture in the world. It is a way of connecting yourself to the materials of the world. It is a way of finding flow and a soft focus with the materials of the world, with the intention of constructing meaning. I so hope that you can join and participate in this ecologies of practice that will aid in awakening to meaning. Thank you very much.